Let's get straight to it. 2010 Dodge Charger. This is the 5.7 liter engine. All right, so if you're looking for the cabin air filter on this vehicle, it's right here. You can see it's a slot there. Pull this tab up, and then this one that comes off, and you can see your cabin air filter down in there. So this black piece that goes across, you go ahead and you flip that up like that, and now you can see your actual filter. Let's reach in there and pull that filter out. It's a tight fit. Okay, so this is our filter here. You can see it's pretty dirty on one side. So this is the side that was facing down. But you can see while we're getting ready to change this, so this is the air that you're breathing in inside of the cabin. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a new one. So you can see where it says airflow. So the flow goes from bottom to up. So you're gonna want the arrows to be up when you put this in there. So just make sure that the arrows are up when you put this in. So you want to be able to read it also. That's how you can also know that you have it the right way, if you can read the letters on there. So once you get your new one, then just drop it in. Now make sure the arrows are pointing up like that. So, and make sure you can read it. Once you're done with that, we could put our clip back on.